Come on. What's up, community? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Today is Saturday. Actually, most of the day has already gone. I'm heading to a really important meeting. Don't know if I'll be vlogging that, but then after the meeting, I'm taking Prince to celebrate his good grades by getting him something special. He'll be picking it out himself, some sort of toy or whatever he wants. And I redid my nails in red, but look, that one has already popped off. So I'm feeling like things are happening because, like, things are popping off or whatever because I got this meeting that I'm so nervous about. So as a rule of thumb, we always keep glue with us when we wear our press-on nails. At least if you're not doing that, you should, because these nails will pop off. And I really hate that, but I think I'm ready to go back to the salon because I'm getting tired of these nails popping off. But I also know it's because my nails are so long. I got a call when I was getting ready to head out earlier today from my job because I'm on call today. I'm on call this week. So they actually called me and I have to go to work at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning on a Sunday, so it's a little extra overtime, which I'm not complaining. We'll be working tomorrow morning, so I'm trying to make the best of today because I don't know how long I'm working. It just said come in, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna come in. We're heading to our meeting. Prince is going to help with the meeting, right?
Yes, please.
You're gonna be my little business partner for today?
Yes. I will. I'm so cold right now.
You cold?
My butt's cold.
Your butt is cold. Cause you spilled something? Oh my God. So let's get out of here, guys.
This is T-Rex Play-Doh. See?
Jurassic World Play-Doh.
Yeah, I wish we could sit and buy it. Are you buying it?
Yeah, if that's what you want.
How about this?
Hmm?
How about two different ones?
You want two different ones?
Yeah. Yeah, I want to get the note guns, okay? Can you hold this?
I think we should get like a little thing to carry.
Yeah, like a cart.
Not a cart, like the little handheld ones. Okay guys, we are in Target and had some really good improvement on his grades, so I was really super proud of him for that. So I'm letting him come and pick out some things from Target. I was going to do something a little bit more interactive, but today didn't turn out like I thought it would, so we are just shopping around Target instead. We might go to At Home because I want to buy some little trinkets for that little shelf that I have the TV sits on and stuff like that.
Is that for you?
No, I was just looking at it. And yeah, let's just do a quick walkthrough. What? Oh, that's cute, right? That's a bunny, not a cat.
A bunny.
A bunny and an egg.
Cool. We're gonna make that for Easter. We're gonna make that for like.
We'll think about it.
No, we're gonna.
Oh, these are so pretty.
Oh, you should buy it.
I like these little things. They're just so cute to me. And you know what you can do, guys? You can spray them with perfume, and they'll smell good.
Yeah, you should try.
I have to settle for fake plants, guys, because I can't keep plants alive. This is $24.99. How much was these?
Oh, we're gonna find the toy collection.
We're getting there. $11.99.
Look at these, guys.
And
This is
$6.99.
So you can make like a shape of them. Mom, you can make a shape of them.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see on the back too. You can't make a shape. I'm having so much fun.
You're having so much fun? That's awesome. Chris, you are something else. What the heck is this?
Mom, you can transform these because they were Rex Subats.
Okay, you can get one.
Okay.
Put it in. All right, let's get it. I said one. Okay. Sneaky self. Let's get out of here. We got you running up my budget. Here. Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Is it too heavy? You got it? You want me to get it? Because you look like you're struggling. I got it.
What's this?
Nothing. Come on. Give her $3.25. Oh, don't let it fall. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, no. Give her a quarter.
A quarter?
Yeah.
Where's the quarter?
That's what there you got in your hand. That's a quarter. That one. Yeah. And take your nickel back. And she's gonna give you back like 3 cents.
3 cents?
Yeah. So keep your thing open. Okay, give me the ones you got in your hand. There we go.
Thanks.
Okay, zip that up. And then put the receipt in the bag. You did it.
Yay! That means I'm the best kid ever.
You gonna hold it? You don't want to hold it?
I do. It's really easy. I do.
Is it too heavy for you? Okay guys, we're gonna show you what Prince got.
Okay. We got some Nerf guns. 2 Nerf guns. I want to show some of my guys.
Turn it around so they can see it. Turn it around.
Okay guys, look at these Nerf guns. It's not too expensive.
It's not.
Okay. I got these Play-Doh back. I got this Play-Doh. This dinosaur Play-Doh. This dinosaur Play-Doh.
Turn around so they can see it. Move your hand out of the way so they can see the whole front. There you go.
See? Look at that. Cool, huh? We also got another pack of these. Like 1 cent temperature. Okay, we also have some more Nerf guns. But 1 cent Roblox Nerf guns. Cool, huh? Right here. And look.
That's a mystery mini machine playset.
No, it's actually a mystery transform. This is a mystery transformers. Like
Rescue box?
rescue bots, transformers cars. And you can get any car. You can get a mystery car.
Yeah.
You don't know which car you're gonna get.
Yeah.
Because it says
Mystery. Okay, put it all back.
this is a lot of stuff, but it's not that.
So we're gonna put this stuff in the car, then we're gonna go to another store. This store is gonna be for mommy, okay? Okay guys, now we're at home, and I'm not really looking for any particular thing. I just like kind of cruising around. And look at Prince. Prince, what are you doing? Come on. But if I do leave with anything, I can almost guarantee you it's going to either be a pillow, like a decorative pillows, or some sort of greenery. I can almost guarantee you that. They got music playing really, really loud, and I don't want to get copyrighted, so y'all just enjoy this. I love this ceramic black aesthetic. They're like super simple. Ooh, but these things are heavy. Ceramic. They're ceramic. Look at this. I like these bowl plate looking things. Oh, look at this, like a little salad bowl. Well, this is heavy. Oh my God. making our way back to the car in the parking deck. Hold on, Prince. Prince, stop. Come right here. When I say stop, don't keep walking. We're in a parking deck. You don't know where a car may come from. So, we didn't find anything that was in my price range that I wanted. So, I guess today was just all about Prince. Get on this side of me. And I'm really proud of you for making good grades, okay? You gotta keep doing that, okay? Keep learning. Keep doing your best. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna head back home now. And I will talk to you guys a little bit later. What's up, community? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Today is Monday, okay? I left you guys on Saturday when I was with Prince getting him things for making good grades. And he was doing all that coughing. So that coughing got worse. And Sunday was really bad. Today, it's like he coughed earlier this morning. And I ended up taking the whole day off work thinking I was going to have to like nurse him back because maybe it was getting worse than better. Maybe I was gonna have to take him to urgent care or something like that. But then once he got up, got some food in him, and I got some medicine in him and stuff like that, he has been doing well. Obviously, look. You gonna say hi to them? No?
Yes. Hi. Okay. Guys, I'm almost dead. Guys, I'm dead. Guys, just stop. Just let me see this, guys.
Mm-hmm. You playing games?
Yeah, just show them. Show them. Mom, come on. I want to play this.
I'm showing them.
Look, guys.
Meanwhile, I am getting the coughing and my throat is starting to feel a little something. So I ended up taking a day off of work. Raymond made breakfast. He made some tomato soup and grilled cheese sandwiches, and now it's pretty much time for lunch. Dinner.
Guys, look at my game. I'm in a tank. It's not actually a tank.
Oh, I see. It's pretty cool.
I have a grenade. Oh.
Oh.
The zombies look
Put them.
That's what the zombies look like. That's what the zombies.
Babe, it's so funny. It kind of looks like Mario, Super Mario, because like the grass and the background of it. But you're like fighting. Instead of fighting those little turtles, you're fighting like zombies. Sunday we didn't do much. We stayed in bed pretty much because we stayed in bed cuddled.
Mommy, are you still looking at this?
No, not really. I'm on to other things now. So we end up ordering food from Applebee's. Remember? We ordered food from Applebee's. I got him his pizza, kids meal. And I got my favorite thing, my chicken. Well, actually, I did try something different this time around. I did something with chicken.
Someone calling me.
Okay, something with chicken, but it tasted more like some kind of like garlic. The garlic was just like too much. It was too much, but it was decent. It was decent. And I had like the chips and queso.
I got the gun.
So that was good.
I saved the guy.
But that's pretty much all we did Sunday. So today is Monday. It's already late in the evening. I have like 2 more loads of clothes to go. And I need to clean the kitchen and kind of start dinner. So that's what we're going to be doing now.
It's dinner ready. Come on.
kitchen because when the house is really, really dirty, we try to like tag team it so that nobody is doing a whole lot of work by themselves, you know? Especially me. Let's put it that way. Me. So that I'm not doing a whole lot of work by myself. Just show y'all how bad this kitchen got over the course of one day. Okay? One day. And this is what we're looking like. What you doing over there? You clean up your toy area? And your underwear? And your sweatshirt? Okay then. Guys, we are making some meatballs. And we have put in already the onions, peppers, seasoning. For seasoning, we just use seasoned salt, Italian seasoning. Don't touch your face. Garlic powder.
Garlic powder, I know I don't want.
Roll your sleeves up. And a little bit of black pepper. And now we're going to add some Worcestershire sauce. Okay.
Inside, can I do it?
Keep going. There we go. That's good. That's good. And we're going to add a little bit of this steak sauce.
Oh.
Here you go, Brent. There you go.
Really? This is really happening. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix it all together.
Hey guys, while we wait on the food, I wanted to show you what I ended up going to Family Dollar on Saturday night after we left Target. I went to get this, not your tablet, your paper thing we use writing all your numbers in your alphabet. It's on the bed. I went to get this cough syrup. This ain't even for kids, so I was just giving him smaller amounts because I didn't see anything for kids there. Children, adults, okay, children 4 to 12, ask a doctor. We didn't do that, okay? We didn't do that. We just gave him a smaller amount, and I mixed it up with some emergency. Anyway, I got me some nails too, because as you can see, these are popping off, okay? We're looking like a little scarce over here. We got 2 on this side. Stop, friends. Let me show them first. And we got 2 missing on this side. And I love these nails too, but they wasn't Kiss, so they didn't last that long. Anyway, so I got these Kiss ones right here, which I think this is the ones I'm gonna put on tonight. This one is probably gonna be for some sort of special event. And then I got these erasable color pencils, guys. When I see these, I had to get these because Prince has color pencils, but he doesn't have all of them anymore. They've been all over the place, and they have erasers on them. And then he just barely have any crayons left. All of them are broken or not sharp or missing or whatever. So I got him some more crayons. So that's what we end up getting from here and do a little doodling.
Well, this one has erasers.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So it's like, I never had anything like that when I was growing up. I'm just saying. Y'all living the life. These kids these days are living the life, okay? Looks good. Looks yummy. Huh? Hey guys, Prince has finished his food. He basically just ate the fruit, a little bit of noodles, and a little bit of his meatballs. He said it was too spicy, so I did kind of put a lot of seasoning in it. Like, you can really taste the seasoning very, very good. So
I'm back.
you're supposed to get in the shower. You gotta take your clothes out, honey bun.
Okay.
But anyway, I was not calling.
No, I need a t-shirt.
Prince, I got all that covered. You do what you're supposed to do. I'm gonna do what I'm supposed to do. Made me forget what I was getting ready to say. Guys, so it's VEDA, right? It is VEDA. It is vlog every day in April. I'm not going to be doing VEDA. I think I want to do the VEDA in August on my birthday weekend because I think that's a lot more stuff going on. It'll be summertime. We'll be doing more things. It'll be my birthday. And all stuff like that. So I think I'm going to do it in August instead of April. But every video that I do upload, you're going to see VEDA on it. You're going to see VEDA on it, but it's not going to be vlogging every day. But you're going to see VEDA on it. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog here the next time you guys do see me. Prince, you don't need to put that on right now. You got to do that after your shower. Yeah, like every time it's time for him to take a shower, he like he don't know what to do. Every single night. What are you doing?
Because
Get in the shower, son. I'm gonna bring one of these vapor things to you so you can get in the shower and clear out your congestion and stuff, okay?
one more time.
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna give me some peeps somehow.
I'm not giving you no peeps. You don't take no shower. No, I'm not.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna take a shower. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay. I still haven't gotten my Easter outfit. I honestly don't know if I'm actually going to buy one. But we're out of school on Friday and I'm off work on Friday. So that's when I actually plan to do my Easter shopping, which is late as ever. And I do not care. But I'm going to a new church this time around. It's a new church that just got here from Charlotte, from Maryland. It's called the Union. So I'm going to check out that church for Easter. I'm hoping they're going to have some activities and stuff for the kids, a lot of stuff to vlog on, and we'll see how the day ends. But that's what the plan is for. Hey guys, this is what I be using in the shower for him. Every time we take a shower when he's congested, these do very, very well. Okay? What?
No. No. Okay.
This is why we're late.
I do want to go.
This day is not turning out how I imagine it. I look like my godmother. Oh my God. What's going on? So I just dropped off Prince in school. He has a little attitude in the mornings, right? So I'll be trying to get him pumped up, and he wants these peeps. So I'm going to go see if I can find him some peeps today. before I go to work. I have to mail my best friend's gift out. But anyway, so I'm going to this store. This is like the closest store to where Prince's school is. And I am almost certain that they have some Peeps. So that's where we're going to go to get him some Peeps. But I told him he has to change his attitude. Just be whining and everything. Like I can't brush my teeth. I just want to go back to sleep. And then he didn't want to eat his breakfast. He was just having a hard time. So I'm bribing him with Peeps. Right, I added my glasses to make myself look a little bit more presentable for the day. And I started adding my nails back because I just cannot let go of this red. This red is everything to me. So I'm going to try to. I didn't have time to put all of them back on, but when I get back home, I will. So today is like my Monday, even though it's Tuesday, because I didn't work yesterday because Prince wasn't feeling good when he woke up this morning, Monday morning. I went to work like for about 20 minutes Monday morning, but he was coughing so bad in the background. I'm like, good Lord, let me help my baby. Let me help my baby. So once I logged off work, took care of him. I could have logged back on, honestly, but I ended up sort of doing some housework and stuff like that. And I ended up, doing some like schoolwork and stuff like that with him. And so, yeah, it's been a whirlwind. So now it's Tuesday and it feels like a Monday to me because I'm actually going back to work. So anyway. There was a Family Dollar like right across the street from the post office, and I found these weird ones though. I've never seen this wild berry flavor, but I think he might enjoy those. I couldn't find like the traditional ones, like the pink, yellow, green ones. And then I got him some toothpaste because I got that Oral-B toothpaste when I went to the CVS, and it was like it just doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't clean his teeth. And then I feel like, you know how you have that fresh minty smell whenever you brush your teeth? It's like nothing. I don't like it. And then I found this cute little spray on deodorant. Prince is definitely using deodorant these days, and I think the spray on is better. Even though this looks like it's for a woman, I feel like the men ones are too strong, or the boys one are too strong. So I didn't get that. And then of course I got me some more nails. These are really cute. These orange and red with a little silver strip on it. Yeah, love these. Did I get anything else? No, that's all I got. So now it's time to head home. It's like 8:40. I had to be to work at 9 o'clock. I was thinking about stopping to get some breakfast, but then another thing I was thinking about, guys, when I see myself in the mirror, I was thinking, oh my God, Kim, you look like Thelma from that old cartoon show, Scooby-Doo. Cause you know she wear her hair like this and she has on the black glasses. I be cracking myself up. Y'all ain't even gotta laugh, cause I would laugh at myself. What's up, community? Yeah, Tuesday evening after work, I am headed to the important meeting that I was going to on Saturday. I actually got rescheduled to today. So here we are. I am going to leave you here at this point because I'm super nervous and I need to get my nerves together. And when I'm recording, it doesn't help with my nerves. So I am going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll probably see you guys on Easter weekend. Because I don't think I'm going to vlog tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to vlog until Friday when I'm picking up my Easter outfits and stuff. So, thank you guys. Love you. Bye.